Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Hexagon raised garden bed on the market right now. We're talking about the Sunnydaze 45-inch Hexagon steel raised garden bed. If you're looking to elevate your gardening game, this could be the perfect fit for you. Let's start with the basics. This raised garden bed is crafted from durable, corrugated galvanized steel. It's designed to withstand tough weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for both novice gardeners and seasoned pros alike. The hexagon shape isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it's practical too. It measures 40.5 inches wide and 36 inches deep, offering a generous planting space of 7.1 cubic feet or 45 gallons. This gives you plenty of room to grow your favorite plants, vegetables, and flowers. Made from alloy steel, it's more stable than wood or plastic, ensuring it won't crack even in extreme cold. This durability means your investment will last for years to come. Setting up this raised garden bed is straightforward. All the necessary hardware is included, though you'll need a screwdriver to complete the assembly. Just place it on level ground, fill it with soil, and you're ready to start planting. Raised beds are known for promoting healthy root development and optimal growing conditions. Whether you're growing herbs, vegetables, or flowers, the elevated design improves drainage and soil aeration, which can lead to higher yields and healthier plants. One standout feature is its weather-resistant properties. Unlike wood, which can rot over time, or plastic, which may become brittle, steel ensures your garden bed stays sturdy and intact through varying weather conditions. It's designed for durability, with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty backing it. The hexagon shape maximizes planting area while maintaining a compact footprint, ideal for smaller outdoor spaces. It's versatile enough for a wide range of plants, from tomatoes and lettuce to decorative flowers. To sum it up, the Sunnydaze 45-inch hexagon steel raised garden bed is a top contender in the world of raised garden beds. Its sturdy construction, easy assembly, and weather-resistant materials make it a reliable choice for any gardener looking to enhance their outdoor space. If you're interested in checking it out further, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and gardening tips. See you next time.